This is a 1989 Casablanca Venus that I got from Facebook Marketplace for $30, and I removed this fan myself. I have the video of this fan installed in its original place coming now.
Thank you. You may have a switch in between.
Yeah, he knows.
Okay.
Okay, that's the video of the fan installed. It was installed on a pretty high ceiling, and very good condition because I took it down myself.
And look at that, it was an accomplishment. Andrew actually edited a video. Alright, here's demo mode.
Oops.
I'll just take my hat off, casually. And I'll just try to press myself against the wall without getting hit. Flywheel's gonna break soon, because it has flywheel disease.
1989. Seller said she really hated the fan. Very ugly.
I don't.
They replaced it with a turn of the century cheap thingy with an ugly farmhouse light.
Quite frankly, this fan will probably look better in the space it was in.
Yes, it did.
They're probably gonna. I'm willing to bet that they're gonna they renovated it to make it fit farmhouse.
Their house was mostly farmhouse.
All right, lights are out. All right, now let's demonstrate all the light levels. Here's the lowest setting. And as I hold the light button down, the light gradually gets brighter. Here's speed 2. Or speed 1. I'm tired. And it's very slow. I probably should have stopped it.
Yeah.
Let it go. So I'll just do that. Speed 2. Yeah, it's just a bit faster than speed 1. Here's speed 3. Turn on the light. This is basically what the fan looks like with the light running, or the light on. What am I saying? Medium, which I call speed 4, or which is speed 4, but I call it medium. This fan does wobble. And now I'm seriously, guys, for y'all watching on Andrew's channel, I am trying not to get hit. Because I am ridiculously close.
This is a 3-speed spot.
Yeah, we just rigged up an IT real quick. This is a first year model. And has the 1989 flywheel disease, as we've mentioned before. High.
Very nice.
Which is speed number 6. Here's the light.
It was installed in the slope ceiling.
Put it in reverse.
Actually they had to take it out of the box for this fan to come down.
Well, I didn't know that. Interesting. And I'm going to let the fan break. That's it. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.